In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for crafting eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Creating a compelling thumbnail can be a game changer for your videos, helping to boost views and grab attention right from the get-go. So let's dive right in. We'll begin our journey by navigating to Google Gemini. Open your preferred web browser and head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Add Files icon. It's quite straightforward. You'll usually find it prominently displayed on the main page. Clicking on this will begin the process of uploading files to Nano Banana. Now, an optional but useful tip here is to upload a reference image. If there's an existing image you wish to modify, this step ensures that you can easily maintain similar aspects like the original's aspect ratio and composition. This is particularly handy if you're looking for continuity across your channel's visuals. Once the reference is uploaded, or if you choose to skip this optional step, it's time to enter your text prompt. This is where the magic starts to unfold. You'll want to write clear and descriptive text prompts to guide Nano Banana. Think of this step as instructing the AI on what exactly you want to achieve. Perhaps you might want to switch up the background, add or remove elements, or even change fashion elements, whatever suits your creative vision. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. With your creative directions in place, go ahead and click the Generate button. This prompts the AI to apply the styles based on your instructions. Give it a moment and let it weave the complexities of your imagination into a visual reality. This whole process is impressively intuitive, showcasing just how capable Nano Banana is at transforming ideas into images. Once the AI has worked its magic, evaluate the new design. Take a moment to see if it aligns with your vision. If you're satisfied with the results, you'll want to download the image with the newly applied font style to your computer. This provides a base that you can further refine. To add the final flourishes to your thumbnail, you'll need to import this downloaded image into another editing tool, such as Canva or Adobe Express. These tools allow you to incorporate text, apply branding elements, and even use templates to achieve a polished, professional finish. Here, you can add striking text that will stand out and convey the essence of your video at a glance. By now, you should have a stunning YouTube thumbnail ready to upload. Remember, a great thumbnail does more than look good. It draws viewers in and piques their curiosity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more creative and practical tips to enhance your digital content.